So today's video regarding HP DeskJet 1255 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to unbox and set up this printer so that we can do the printing with it. And I'll show you how to load the paper sheet and how to install the ink cartridges and then use it for the printing. Now the first step is to go and open the box carefully. So we get the two starter ink cartridges. We also have a booklet, and there's another page, and we have a wire here. So it's a really small compact printer which you can use for the printing. So it's only for the printing. You cannot do copy, you cannot do scan with it, as you can see. And the power cable will go here at this end. And here is the paper tray where we can install the pages. Once we load the A4 size sheets, so press the power button and switch on the printer. Now we have to open the ink cartridge chamber door. Also we have to remove the starter ink from this packaging. These are the number 67 ink cartridges. These are the setup ink cartridges. Now go to the printer's front door so that we can install the ink here. Now open the front door. As you can see, this is the ink cartridge chamber door, and you will see the ink cartridge chamber has moved and it will stop in the middle. Now install the ink cartridges one by one here. So simply have to place it in and push it in and close the ink cartridge door. Now our printer is ready for the connection, and we can just connect it with our any device, for example laptop, MacBook, or Android device. And for that we need the data cable. So you have to buy the printer cable. The data cable has to go at the back, so you just have to install it here. And the other end will go to your OTG cable. Now insert the OTG cable to your device, as you can see here. Now open the device and you will see it says HP Print Service plugin. Open HP Print Service plugin when the USB device is connected, and just click yes, use by default for this USB device, and click OK. Now open any document in your device, for example a PDF or a Word document, and click on the print button. So you have to look for the print option, and once you click on that, on the next screen you will see it says the name of the printer on the top. So you have to select your printer, that is USB DeskJet 1200 series, and once you click on that you will see it displays here. Now you can click on the print button and it will send a command for the printer to print the page. So this way we can do the quick setup of this printer and we can use it for the printing. Thanks for watching.